Hi friends, I'm at the beach today. So, we're at the beach, so let's do a little pretend play as if we're at the beach. I brought my tote bag, and in my tote bag is my sun hat. So we're gonna put that on. I also brought my book to read at the beach, so I have something to read. And of course, my sunglasses. And, another little book in case I want to write or draw. And of course, my sunblock. Some of us have spray sunblock, or we spray it on our bodies and rub it in, right, all over. You can't miss a spot. Or some people just have lotion sunblock where they just rub it in. So make sure you get yours on really good. On your legs, on your arms, on your neck, on your face. Did you get it really good? Awesome. Okay, now I'm ready to lay out in the sun. Oh, do you know what else I brought? Is my towel. Check it out. My towel is blue. It has two different kinds of blue in it. What does your towel look like? And also, since I'm inside and I'm using my imagination, I also brought some sand with me just to pretend. If you don't have sand at home, like me, then you can use some rice or some beans, or even kinetic sand if you have that, which is a really cool sensory material. So I'm just gonna pretend this is sand, and I'm gonna take some scoops, scoop the sand, and pretend I'm gonna make something at the beach. And that's pretty fun. And I'm gonna have a beach day. So that's what I'll do. Scoop some sand. Yeah. And don't forget to drink your water. I'm going to grab my water bottle. So I have some water on my beach day. Enjoy your beach day.